Okay, so this rubric right here is basically a simplified version for you guys to kind of understand on top of what you're being asked to do for the from the state and the district. So this is going to be more closely accurate, or it's going to be more accurate to how you're going to be graded. So the first thing is you're going to get 10 points for the argument, which is basically your claim in your thesis. Again, that's that your thesis is stated exactly how it was outlined in the template, and that you have those topic sentences in there so that the claim is consistent throughout, just like it was above. Evidence, relevant and accurate, we already talked about that. You're going to get 5 points for each body paragraph. If in each body paragraph you have a piece of evidence that's relevant and accurate, you will automatically get 15 points. You will get 20 points, because this is a big one, for organization. So this is why it's worth so many points. If you follow the 5-paragraph essay format, just like that template has outlined, then that's essentially how you will get your 20 points. In that template, it goes through transition words and phrases, and that you use appropriate language, or more like 7th grade or above vocabulary. Conventions is worth 5 points, basically spelling and grammar. If you guys don't have, if you have more than a few mistakes, that is going to be a surefire way to just lose those 5 points automatically, which to get an 85% or higher, so mastery on this essay, you need to get a 42.5 or above. And so make sure that when you're filling this out, if you can't fill this out and get above a 42.5, then you need to go back and look at your essay and really figure out where you're missing those points. Likewise, if you're unsure about a certain area and you want me to double check it, just let me know. I'm here to help.